Have you ever pondered about the vastness of the universe and the secrets it holds? As we gaze up at the night sky, we're not just looking at stars, but peering back through the annals of time. Astronomers, those tireless sentinels of the night, have long been at the forefront, unraveling these cosmic mysteries. Among these pioneers, one name stands out for his enduring contributions: Charles Messier, a beacon in the field of astronomy. Born in the 18th century, Messier's discoveries were groundbreaking. His work laid the foundations for many of the cosmic understandings we hold today. From distant galaxies to nebulous star clusters, Messier's keen eye and unwavering dedication led to the identification of some of the most fascinating celestial bodies known to humanity. His notable work, the Messier Catalogue, a comprehensive list of astronomical wonders that continues to captivate stargazers worldwide. Let's embark on a journey through time to uncover the life of Charles Messier and his noteworthy contributions to the world of astronomy. Born on June 26, 1730, in Badonville, France, Charles Messier's intrigue for the cosmos was ignited at a tender age. Charles was the 10th of 12 children born into a humble family. His father passed away when he was just 11, thrusting him into the working world at a young age. But it was his mother's tales of the night sky that kept his dreams alive, and the stars became his solace. Messier's early education was modest, yet it was enough to spark his curiosity about the universe beyond our Earth. He learned the basics of reading, writing, and arithmetic, but it was the celestial bodies that truly fascinated him. His schooling, while rudimentary, was enough to kindle a passion that would last a lifetime. At the age of 14, Messier witnessed two significant astronomical events that would shape his future. The first was the Great Comet of 1744, a spectacular celestial spectacle that lit up the night sky. Its striking tail, visible even in daylight, left a deep impression on young Charles. Following this, in 1748, he experienced a solar eclipse. This phenomenon, where day turned into night and back again, was a sight to behold. It was a moment that further solidified his fascination with the cosmos. These experiences set his heart aflame with a desire to learn more about the celestial bodies that danced across the night sky. This passion drove him to leave his hometown and move to Paris, where he began to work under Joseph-Nicolas Delisle, the astronomer of the French Navy. Under Delisle's guidance, Messier began to learn the intricacies of astronomy. He learned to chart the stars, to note their movements, and to understand the patterns of the cosmos. He began to unlock the secrets of the universe, one constellation at a time. These cosmic events not only piqued Messier's curiosity, but they also set him on a path that would lead to remarkable discoveries. And so Charles Messier, from a small town in France, set out on a journey that would change our understanding of the universe forever. Charles Messier's career was as luminous as the celestial objects he discovered. In the mid-18th century, a young Charles Messier found himself working as a clerk at the Paris Observatory under the guidance of Joseph-Nicolas Delisle. This wasn't a random stroke of luck, but rather a testament to Messier's determination and passion for the cosmos. Despite his humble beginnings, the young man was driven by an insatiable curiosity about the universe, a curiosity that would lead him down a path of astronomical discovery. Delisle was an accomplished astronomer in his own right, and he became a mentor to Messier. Under his guidance, Messier learned the techniques of the trade, from charting the stars to tracking the movements of celestial bodies. It was during this time that Messier developed his knack for discovering comets, a talent that would earn him the nickname the Comet Ferret. But Messier's career did not stop at comets. As he continued his work, he began to notice other more permanent fixtures in the night sky. These were not the wandering comets he was so adept at finding, but rather they were nebulae and star clusters. One of his most remarkable discoveries was the Orion Nebula, a sprawling cloud of gas and dust in which new stars are born. This nebula, visible to the naked eye under a dark sky, is one of the most studied objects in our galaxy today. Messier's observations of the Orion Nebula were a significant step forward in understanding the life cycle of stars. In addition to the Orion Nebula, Messier discovered and catalogued numerous other nebulae and star clusters. Each of these discoveries was a testament to his meticulous observation and recording. His detailed notes and drawings provided invaluable insights into the structure of the cosmos, and they laid the groundwork for future astronomers to build upon. But it wasn't just his discoveries that set Messier apart. It was his relentless pursuit of knowledge. He was known for his tireless work, often spending entire nights observing the heavens. His dedication to his craft was unwavering even in the face of adversity. When a fire destroyed the Paris Observatory in 1771, Messier did not let this setback deter him. Instead, he continued his work, setting up a temporary observatory in a nearby hotel. Through his career, Messier illuminated the universe, revealing its wonders to mankind. His numerous discoveries, from comets to nebulae, expanded our understanding of the cosmos and brought the stars a little closer to home. Messier's relentless pursuit of knowledge led him to discover objects that were previously unknown to mankind. His legacy is not only in the celestial objects he discovered, but also in the passion and dedication he brought to his work. Indeed, it is this spirit of exploration and discovery that continues to inspire astronomers today. In an effort to avoid confusion while hunting for comets, Messier began cataloguing annoying nebulae and star clusters, unknowingly creating a valuable resource for future astronomers. A comet hunter by trade, Charles Messier found himself frustrated by the objects in the night sky that appeared comet-like but were in fact not comets. These nebulae and star clusters were throwing him off course, so he decided to catalogue them to avoid future confusion. Little did he know he was about to create the first comprehensive catalogue of its kind, a resource that would prove invaluable to the world of astronomy. The Messier Catalogue, as it came to be known, was an incredible feat of organization and observation. It was structured by Messier's own observations and later supplemented by his colleague, Pierre Méchain. The catalogue started with a modest list of 45 objects, but it grew over time to include a total of 110 celestial bodies. Each entry was marked with an M and a number, a system that is still widely used by astronomers today. The purpose of the catalogue was simple, at least initially. It was a tool to help Messier and his peers distinguish between potential comets and other celestial objects. However, as the catalogue grew, its importance became evident. It was more than just a reference for comet hunters. It was a comprehensive guide to the night sky, a treasure trove of astronomical wonders. The impact of the Messier Catalogue on the field of astronomy was profound. It brought order to the cosmos, enabling astronomers to systematically study celestial bodies. It also sparked curiosity and wonder, inspiring countless individuals to look up and explore the universe. The catalogue's influence is still felt today, as it continues to guide stargazers and amateur astronomers in their celestial explorations. What started as a simple reference tool for Messier eventually turned into an astronomical treasure for the world. The Messier Catalogue remains a testament to the enduring curiosity and ingenuity of its creator, a beacon of knowledge that lights our understanding of the cosmos. Charles Messier's work went beyond his lifetime, leaving a lasting legacy that continues to inspire astronomers today. Indeed, his indomitable spirit and relentless pursuit of the mysteries of the cosmos resonate in the heart of every stargazer. Messier's impact on astronomy was profound and far-reaching. His meticulous observations and the creation of his catalogue lit the path for future astronomers to follow. The Messier Catalogue, which initially served as a guide to avoid nuisance objects while comet hunting, has since become an essential tool for astronomers worldwide. Today, the catalogue is a checklist for the most spectacular deep sky objects visible from Earth, a testament to Messier's enduring influence. But the legacy of Charles Messier extends beyond his catalogue. His work set a precedent for systematic astronomical studies, demonstrating the importance of detailed observation and meticulous cataloguing. His methods paved the way for future astronomers to delve deeper into the cosmos, inspiring generations to look up and wonder. Even after his death in the year 1817, Messier's contributions to astronomy continue to be recognized and celebrated. The International Astronomical Union, in a fitting tribute, named a lunar crater after him. His name also graces one of the most prominent craters on Mars. These posthumous honors highlight the enduring respect and admiration the scientific community holds for Charles Messier. His legacy serves as a beacon, reminding us of the awe-inspiring beauty of the universe that surrounds us. It encourages us to question, to explore, and to seek out the unknown. His passion for the cosmos, immortalized through his catalogue, continues to ignite the imagination of astronomers, both amateur and professional. As we gaze upon the stars, we remember Charles Messier, a man whose passion for the cosmos changed our understanding of the universe forever. His legacy, like the celestial objects he catalogued, shines brightly in the dark expanse of space, a guiding light for all who venture into the mysteries of the cosmos. Having journeyed through the cosmos with Charles Messier, we hope you've been inspired by his passion for exploration and discovery. His legacy is not only in the stars he catalogued, but also in the spark of curiosity he ignited in us all. Now it's your turn to embark on your own adventure. Look up at the night sky. Each twinkling light is a story waiting to be told, a mystery waiting to be unraveled. The universe is a vast, beautiful canvas, and each one of us has the chance to become a part of its grand narrative. So, we encourage you to take a moment, go outside and gaze at the stars. Perhaps you'll find a familiar constellation, or maybe you'll discover something entirely new. If you enjoyed this journey and want to dive deeper into the cosmos, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video. Your support allows us to create more content like this, helping us share the wonders of the universe with more people. Remember, the universe is full of mysteries waiting to be discovered, so keep looking up, keep exploring, and who knows, you might just find your own celestial marvel. Until next time, clear skies and happy stargazing.